I want to stay in the EU because the EU guarantees our workers' rights, our clean air. It helps our NHS. There are 55,750 members of the EU working in our NHS. It's a massive market. We get EU students which contribute £3.7 billion to the economy every year. We trade with the EU. Most of our trade is with the EU. 44% of our goods and services go to the EU. The EU fosters international cooperation between similar countries, makes us safer, stronger, gives us prosperity, and is a civilising influence on the country. Leaving the EU would hit the economy, we'd enter a huge recession. The EU gets £66 million worth of investment every day from other EU countries. It helps develop our inner cities. It supports our arts. It spends money to help young people get into work, and it contributes to scientific research across the country. We are definitely stronger in the EU.